Hi everyone. In the given problem statement of each index, we are going to given an array of integers called citation, where citation of I is the number of citations a researcher has received in their ith paper. Return the researcher's each index. So the definition of each index, you are going to get it from Wikipedia and you can go through it. Now let us take the example or the array of 3, 0, 6, 1, 5. Out here, this each index is going to be 3. The reason being is that there are 3 papers or 3 research paper which has minimum number of 3 citations. So that's why the each index is 3. Similarly, if I take this paper 1, 3, 1. So out here, there is only one paper. There are 2 papers which each index of 1. But the 3 value is not available, so it cannot be 3. In case all of these were 3, the each index would be 3, but in this case its value is going to be 1. So how do I get the value? So let us take this example, the first one, and let us sort this entire array in descending order. So here the value is going to be 6, 5, 3, 1 and 0. So the index of the first element is going to be 0. This value is going to be 1. This is going to be 2, 3, 0. So once you have sorted it, right, so any value, right, so if you're able to get any value which is greater than equal to this value, so basically the index, let's say citation of I or the current index, right? Index is going to be greater than equal to. So 3 is greater than or 2 is greater than or equal to citation of 3. So in that case, we have to return the index. So now if I have to code this entire thing, right, in an Python, so how do I going to do it? So here, right, let's say this example citations equal to sorted citations, and we are going to reverse it in descending order. So reverse equal to true. Now we are going to run a for loop. So for index, and let me type cite in, we have to enumerate it. So if you're going to enumerate, right, we're going to get the index as well as value. So array citations if our index is greater than equal to our current citation cita. In that case, you have to return our index. Else, or in the last part, in case there are no citations available which is greater than, so in that case we are going to return the length of our entire citation. And if you look in the definition, right, then you are going to see, right, the in case there are no research paper which is referenced more than each times, then just return the length of citation. So how does it works, right? In the first case, right, our cita is 6. So is 0 greater than equal to 6? No. Then the value is 1. Is 1 greater than equal to 5? Answer is no. Then our value is 2. Is it greater than equal to 3? Which is not true. Then our value is 3. Is 3 greater than equal to 1? Which is true. And that's why you're returning the index of 3. Similarly, this is a basic way or a kind of a shortcut of solving this problem. Now let us take the example of this one, 1 3 1. So we are going to sort it out. So 1 3 1 1. So and the index are going to be 0 1 2. So is 0 greater than equal to 3? Not true. Is 1 greater than equal to 1, which is true? So our each index is going to be 1. In case there is a value, let's say 7 6 5 4. Okay, so in this case, right, the largest value is, or let's say in case, let us take the example of 4. So 0 1 2 3. So is 7 greater than 0? No. Is 1 greater than equal to 6? No. And none of them is working, right? So here this entire loop is not going to return anything. So here at the end, right, because here the none of them got a valid pass, so the each index for this is going to be the length of the entire string, which is going to be 4. We can also take an example of 20 18 16, right? In this case also, right, the each index, because none of them is going to return any value, so each index is going to be 3. So in this way each index is working. So the basic idea is that you have to see the definition of each index in Wikipedia, and there you're going to understand how each index is getting calculated. The problem might seem a bit tricky, but if you have to solve this problem, we just have to basically reverse all the each indexes in an descending order, and then just have to loop through it with the help of enumerate or an index, and basically have to calculate, right, the current index is greater than the citation value. In case the current index is greater than the citation value, then you have to just return the index. In case there is no index which is greater than the citation value, just have to return the entire length of the list, which is going to be the each index. Now let us look into the Python implementation of the problem statement each index. So the first thing that we need to do, we have to sort our citations in a descending order. So let me copy citation equal to sorted citation reverse equal to true. This is going to reverse the citations in descending order. Now we have to enumerate the citation. So for index and citation in enumerate citation, if the index is greater than equal to the current citation, in that case we have to return our index, else in case there is no value, then the length of our citation, or the value that is going to be returned, is going to be length of the citation. So length of citation. Now let me, the spelling is wrong. Length of citation. Let me click on submit. As you could see, our code is quite, performance is good. It completed the code in 39 milliseconds, and our code is running all the public test cases, as also all the private test cases are also been successfully submitted. It's a pretty basic, simple solution. Only thing for us to understand that how each index works, which is going to be a bit tricky part, but apart from it, everything is pretty straightforward. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.